Welcome, in front of me is an INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, navigate into your settings application. From here, look for storage. So for me it's right over here. And tap on your three dots by the SD card category. And in here you can format it. Once you press on it, it does give you a pop-up that formatting erases all data that is currently stored on the card. So if you have anything on it that you would like to keep, do make a copy of it somewhere else and then proceed with the format. Now, assuming you have already done the format, or not format but the backup, or you just simply don't want to, then you can just proceed by pressing erase and format. For some reason, the stupid device wants your pattern for formatting SD card. Beats me why, but guess we just have to confirm it, and then it begins formatting. Well, the reason why I kind of complain about this is because no other phone needs to do that. So anyway, as you can see, after like 3 seconds to 5, the process is finished, so click on done and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.